Dell Latitude 3410 14-inch laptop. Processor Intel Core i3-10110U, 2-core, 2.1 GHz, 4.1 GHz max turbo. Power in, 4.5mm barrel with status LED HDMI 1.4 USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A port USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type C port with DisplayPort 1.2 Alt mode. 3.0 card reader slot universal audio jack USB 2.0 USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A port with PowerShare RJ45 with status LED wedge-shaped lock slot. – 14-inch, FHD, 1920 by 1080, 60 Hz, anti-glare, non-touch, NTSC 45%, 220 nits, IPS display. 1280 by 720 integrated HD webcam. Keyboard English UK, backlit keyboard. Memory 8 GB, 1x8 GB, DDR4. 256 GB solid-state drive, M.2 SSD, graphics Intel UHD Graphics. Realtek ALC 3204, Intel high-definition audio, dual speakers. To get inside of this machine, you need to undo 8 captive Phillips head screws. After that, pry the bottom panel with a plastic tool, and lift it away. Orthodox cooling solution, which includes a heat pipe, a rather narrow heatsink, as well as a medium-sized fan. Couple of SODIMM slots, that can fit up to 32 GB of DDR4 memory, working at 2400 or 2667 MHz, depending on the processor choice. Storage-wise you get one M.2 PCIe X4 slot. If you get the laptop with the smaller 40 Wh battery pack, you will also be able to put a 2.5-inch SATA drive. Battery technology 4-cell capacity 53 Wh.